So here's my room for you guys. I'm just gonna give a quick little overview before I go into the small little details in each area of my room. So yeah, originally my walls were blue and I just painted them white just to fit my aesthetic, obviously. I think that it looks so amazing, and I just have my ring light on because it adds more light to the room. So yeah, let's just get right into the details. So when you first enter my room, this is the first thing that you, well, not the first thing that you see, but this is my door. So this is where you enter. This is my rack of hats. It's obviously not the only hats that I have, but I think these were the only hats that fit my black and white aesthetic. So I got this one from American Apparel, I believe. This one was from Target. This one was from Urban Outfitters, Target, and ASOS. So yeah, it's just those hats, and I'll give you guys a quick little glimpse of those ones. And over here we just have my, I don't know what to call this area, but it's just a corner in my room where I thought it was plain, so I just added my backpack from Forever 21 and then my wide brimmed hat. But I love this because it adds to the aesthetic vibe. My bag is a little dirty, but whatever, I don't care. So yeah. And then on this wall right here is one of my 3 art pieces made by my bestie Jasmine. I think she really did that. Like, it looks so amazing. I think it adds so much to the room. I just love how it looks. So yeah, it's just the 3 eyes closing. I don't know how to describe it, but it looks artsy as fuck. So over here we just have my nightstand. I really love my nightstand. So yeah, I'm just gonna add a few little, you know, close-up shots of what it actually is. But originally this nightstand was brown. It was a brown wooden nightstand, but I painted, as you can see, all of my furniture black. So yeah, that was a little DIY project for me, especially with painting the walls. But yeah, so that was originally brown, and it took me like probably an hour. So yeah. And then right above my nightstand, I have 3 little shelves that I got from Amazon as well. This one is a longer one, that one's a shorter one, and that one is like medium sized. So to start off with the bottom shelf, I have this Love is Love painting, which is also from my best friend Jasmine. And just a little side note, all of my artwork is from Jasmine in my room, so whatever art that you see in her is from Jasmine because I cannot paint. So this one was a gift. Well, all of them were gifts, but this one was a surprise. And you guys know what love is love means. Like, as soon as you step into my room, you feel the love. Like, love is love. Like, you know, hashtag love is love. That's all there is. And then right on the Love is Love poster, I have a crystal. Another side note, this crystal was from a necklace, but it broke off, so I just dropped it right there. And then I have my little incense holder, and my incense, this incense right here is vanilla. I love the scent of vanilla. And it also looks amazing in my room, and it smells amazing as well. So this is the incense holder. It has like a little sun on it. When I saw it, I was like, oh my god, this will fit my aesthetic so well. So I just added it right there. And then these little things right here, I don't really use, so I just use them as, you know, decorations. But that's a cologne, Black by Kenneth Cole. And then a lotion that I stole from the hotel, but I love how it looks in my room. It's just very aesthetically pleasing. And then an empty oil bottle because I ran out of the oil. Because I don't really wear cologne, I usually wear oils if I'm not wearing cologne. So yeah, those are the 3 items right there. Just one more look. And then right above that, I have my speaker, my JBL speaker. Right now it's dead, but it actually does light up and it changes colors. I'll show a clip of that as well. But I just love how, you know, minimalistic and simple it is, just sitting up there. So that's where I keep my speaker, and I, you know, play my tunes in the morning when I'm getting ready and everything. So yeah. And then on the top is just the N. This lights up as well, but it just gives me very vintage Hollywood, you know. But it just reminds me that I'm gonna be really big one day, you know. I'll see my name in lights. So that's just a reminder. And that's why it's on the top, like, you know, like the Hollywood sign, kind of. But I just love how it looks. It's very, you know, simple, minimalistic, but very cute. And then moving on to where the magic happens. And by magic, I mean sleeping and eating and all of that crap. So yeah, nothing really happens in this bed at all. So yeah, so to start off with my bed, this is actually a DIY bed. Those around the edges are actually wooden pallets that I got from my local hardware store. You guys can literally go to any store and ask them for some wooden pallets if you would like to do this. Originally I was gonna do a video on it, but I just decided not to. So all you need is wooden pallets. I got about 4. But the key thing is to make sure that you get wooden pallets that are all the same sizes, because as you can see right there, I had to cut it because it was too big. So yeah, that's that on that. And then what I did was I just painted it black so it could match my furniture. So my white sheets, you wouldn't really actually believe me, but these are from Amazon. It's actually a duvet cover. So I used my old comforter and just put the cover on over my comforter, if that makes sense. So yeah, I just love my bed. It looks so comfy. I just can't wait to lay in it. But I always make my bed because, you know, it just inspires me not to lay in it. So yeah, this little, you know, throw piece right here, which I totally love, I got from a local store here in Bermuda. And the store is called Brown & Company. So yeah, it's just a black fur overthrow, I guess that's what you call it, or overthrow. I don't really know what they're called, but it's very soft. Obviously it's faux fur. Save the animals, hashtag save the animals. So yeah, and then over here is just my pillows. I have my 2 show pillows. I don't sleep on those pillows, I take them off. And then behind it are the actual pillows that I sleep on, and then my body pillow, which kind of serves as like a headboard, but not really, because I don't have a headboard. And then that pillow is from a local Bermudian store as well called Gibbons Company. So yeah, and that's a suede black pillow, so I'll show a close-up of that. And then above my bed is just my dream catcher. Love my dream catcher. It resembles so much to me, especially because you guys know that that's my heritage on my dad's side. And I just have a thing for dream catchers. I don't know, I just really love dream catchers. So that's above my bed. And then over here is my tapestry, my infamous tapestry with fairy lights around the edges. Oh, I'm not telling you guys where I'm getting my items from. That is bad of me. I got the tapestry from Amazon as well. So yeah, basically everything in my room is from Amazon, which is crazy. So the tapestry is from Amazon, fairy lights are from Amazon. But I just love how this looks, especially when the lights are off and it's dark outside. So yeah, it gives an atmosphere to the room that I really love, especially coming home late at night, especially after work, and I'm like stressed out and I just need to lay in bed. I just turn the fairy lights on, but yeah. And then right next to my bed is just my mirror, which I am right there. Hey, what is up, you guys? I look a hot, wretched mess. Yes, show some legs. Yes. But yeah, that's my mirror. So up here, like I said, are my art pieces from none other than Jasmine. Yes, girl, yeah. And then right here is the ring light, and right here is my mirror. Don't want to show myself. And then right here is my Fenty box. I wanted to keep my Fenty box because I didn't want to get rid of it. And I keep the shoes in it as well, just to protect them, because those were some pretty expensive shoes. And then my favorite Chelsea boots, my Cuban Chelsea boots, from ASOS. And they have like a little cute little electric shock, whatever you want to call it, on the sides. And then my mirror, which I actually got from the dollar store. Yes, cheap on a budget. Yes, we living for it. But this is my mirror from the dollar store. It's got metal pieces around the edges as well as plastic. It's not really metal, but it looks like metal, and that's what I was going for. Eventually though, I do want to get like a big mirror like that goes around there, like the ones that you guys see at IKEA and stuff like that. So I want it to be like very big like there, and I'll be posing my pictures like, hey, what is up, Deuces is lit, yeah. But yeah, so for now that's that. And right here I do want to get like a big white fur rug. So like a big white fur rug, probably around this area, but that's not right now, so yeah. And then over this side are my curtains, which I got from a local Bermudian store as well. I can't really remember where I got it from because that was a while back. But yeah, I just have 2 black curtains on the edges, and then I have the white ones in the middle, which adds to the aesthetic of the room as well. So over here is the media stand. I barely watch TV, so I don't know why I have a TV in my room, but hey, I can't complain. I'm like always on my laptop, so yeah. But anyway, this is the media stand. This is where I keep my jewelry and my TV, obviously. And then my dresser, which I also painted just as like that one. But yeah, so I painted that as well. That took me about, I'll say 2 hours maybe. But painting is very therapeutic. So if you have time, just paint some furniture, girl. I mean, it's everything. So yeah, like I said, I just have my jewelry over here. And then my sunglasses right here, and then I have a terrarium right there. The terrarium is from Amazon. It's obviously for plants, but I was like, hey, that would look dope in my room just to hold some jewelry pieces. So I just keep my rings and like small minor jewelry pieces in there. And then there I just hold my watches and other necklaces that I don't want to show over here. And then obviously my TV. And then my closet. My closet is a mess right now. It's not aesthetically pleasing, so yeah, I'm not gonna show it. But I have little white specks on my closet because I'm a flop ass painter. So when I was painting, I got, you know, a little bit of paint on the closet. But that's, nonetheless, that's alright. And then up here I just have my overalls hanging on a black hanger. The reason I put it on in my closet is because 1, it doesn't fit in my closet, like it drapes on the ground. And 2, I just like how it looks just hanging up like that. I don't know why. So that's the reason why I put it there. But yeah, that's pretty much it for my room. I'm just gonna give you guys one last little, you know, view of what it looks like. It's not much, like I said, like my room is not big at all, but it's something, you know, and I don't want it to be too small. It's not that small. I would say it's like a medium-sized room, but hey, I worked with it. This is what I came up with, and it's pretty lit. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the room tour, you guys. Like I said, my room is not that special, but I mean, hey, it's special to me. This is what I came up with. I really love the aesthetic of the room. It's very, you know, minimalistic, very simple, you know, to the point. My bed, my TV, you know, not much in it, but I love it. It's very comfy, it's very homey to me, and it gives me that, you know, comfortable vibe. So that's really what I went for. But yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. I would really, really appreciate it. Also, all of my social medias will be down in the description box below for you guys to go ahead and check out. And as always, until next time, see you later.